Manipur is still smoldering from the violence that erupted over a year ago. The year 2023 brought a period of violence to the northeastern state that it had never imagined or seen before. More than a year has passed, yet the violence in Manipur has not abated. As the fresh wave of violence hit the state earlier this month, the Manipur government resorted to ordering the closure of all government and private colleges and suspended internet and mobile data for 5 days. Welcome to our special segment of Explainer. In this particular episode, we will delve into the root causes that brought Manipur to this stage of violence, bringing the state to a standstill owing to the conflicts between the two sections of the society, Kuki and Meiteis. It is important to note that the violence currently ongoing in Manipur began on May 3rd last year. The issue was reservations. Nonetheless, the conflict between Kuki and Meitei communities over reservation demands went to the extent that it escalated into a brutal confrontation. Even now, Manipur continues to burn in the flames of this violence, so much so that the situation is unimaginable. The number of those killed and injured is innumerable. Now the question is, who are the Meitei and Kuki and what is the issue of reservation between them? Let's understand that. Manipur consists of both hilly and plain areas. Around 90% of the region is hilly where the tribals live. These tribals include the Kuki and Naga who make up 47% of Manipur's total population, with most of them belonging to the Christian community. On the other hand, only 10% of Manipur comprises plains where the Meitei community resides. The Meitei make up 53% of the population and belong to the Hindu community, also known as Meitei Brahmins. Most of the Meitei live in the state capital, Imphal. Besides, Manipur also has a minor population of Muslims. The Muslims residing in Manipur are believed to have either come from Bangladesh or fled from Myanmar and settled in India. However, the state of Manipur is primarily divided into two communities, one living in the plains and other residing in the hills. The hilly areas are dominated by the Kuki and Naga communities, while the Meitei community dominates the plains. The Kuki and Naga are classified as scheduled tribes, providing them reservations in jobs, education institutions, and tax benefits. They also have legal rights to settle and buy lands in the plains. In contrast, the Meitei are not classified as scheduled tribes, meaning they cannot buy land or settle in the hilly areas, making this the primary cause of conflict between the two groups. The Meitei argue that before Manipur became part of India in 1949, they had the status of scheduled tribes, but later they were excluded from the ST list. For context, after the British left the Manipur in 1947, the administration was under Maharaja Bhoj Chandra. Following the merger agreement on September 21, 1949, Manipur officially became part of India on October 15, 1949. When the Indian Constitution was implemented on January 26, 1950, Manipur became a Part C category state under a chief commissioner within the Indian Union. Let me tell you that Part C states were a category of states in India that included former chief commissioners, provinces, and some princely states. However, with Manipur becoming a part of India, the Meitei community lost its inclusion in the ST list. Since then, the Meitei community has been demanding the status of scheduled tribe, a decision opposed by the Kuki and Naga communities, arguing that if the Meitei are granted ST status, they will take over all the land. Not just this, the Meitei community further argues that despite having a large population, they dominate only 10% of the region, while the 47% tribal population controls 90% of the land, making it unfair for the former group. In the light of these demands, the Meitei community filed a petition in the Manipur High Court. After the court heard the case on April 20, it ordered the state government to consider the demand for granting ST status to the Meitei within 4 weeks. Following this decision, the Kuki Naga community organized a protest rally on May 3rd under the banner of Tribal Unity March led by the All Tribal Student Union Manipur. gathering in the state capital and demonstrating aggressively. However, the protest turned into violence, claiming several innocent lives. However, this issue needs to be resolved soon and strict steps are necessary. What is your take on the issue? Do let us know in the comments. Please like and share this video. Namaskar, Jai Hind.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं, जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रितम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।